touring Castillo Del Lago in Los Angeles, California. Considered to be one of the best examples of Spanish-colonial revival architecture in Southern California, it was designed by John DeLario in 1926. Set behind private gates, you enter the home through a winding drive that leads to an extraordinary 3-acre ridgetop estate. Complete with breathtaking 365-degree views encompassing everything from Lake Hollywood to the iconic Hollywood sign and even vast downtown areas to ocean vistas. Stepping into the interiors of the home, the grand entryway features a massive spiral staircase which encompasses 6 stories and leads to a tower above. The custom wrought iron balustrade, exposed wood beam ceiling, and terracotta floor with colorful Spanish tiles allow for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Moving into the 2-story drawing room, this space features views not only of the lake, but then of the courtyard and hills beyond. The decor is complete in North African and Renaissance styles, which go wonderfully with the Spanish Revival architecture. The room is perfect for entertaining and could easily double as a ballroom. One gets a sense of the indoor-outdoor feeling of this space by just opening the front doors. The courtyard is filled with impressive plants, flowers, beautiful pavers, and a lovely fountain. Citrus trees of lemon, lime, and orange adorn the beautiful patio, along with wisteria and jasmine that bloom in the spring. The warm, cozy, masculine library space is covered in mahogany paneling and inlaid with built-in bookcasing, housing antique books over 200 years old. The room also features a pair of harbor scene 17th century paintings brought back from England. The media room is covered in 19th century Suzannis from Central Asia. The many bold patterns, textures, and colors create an outstanding effect. The informal dining room is a lovely bright and airy space that overlooks the pool and garden areas. When in bloom, the wisteria creates a canopy-like effect over top. The kitchen is bright, light, and airy and houses everything you could possibly need to cook for a large party, perfect for this home of entertaining. The formal dining room features the original honeycomb ceiling with beautiful patterns inlaid with painted woods. The terracotta floor tiling is also original, along with the glazed accent tiles. The room comfortably sits 12 individuals, and it is warm, inviting, and lovely for an afternoon's dinner. Now, as we head upstairs, we can get a better understanding of the spectacular views. The master bedroom is a narrow and long space, complete with an Italian bed from the 16th century. The room is covered in curtains which were designed in India in the 1700s. There are French doors and balconies located on either side of the bedroom, along with lounging spaces, which then lead to private ensuite bathrooms. The home features a total of 9 bedrooms, and here is a look at one of the guest rooms. Upstairs as well, there is a private workout room. Of course, one of the finest, if not the finest room in the entire home is the tower, which is now being used as a bedroom. The room is small and octagonal in shape and has been draped in a Renaissance-style floor-to-ceiling fabric, which has created a tent-like atmosphere. The backyard features a multitude of lovely areas perfect for having a meal and entertaining. The home also features a lovely in-ground swimming pool, perfect for cooling off and relaxing. The expansive 365-degree views of the city, hills, and lake are practically priceless. What was your favorite part of this home? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and consider becoming a channel member today to have access to exclusive perks and videos for members only. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.